In today's video, I'm going to teach you set up multiple email accounts using Microsoft Outlook. If you manage separate inboxes for work, school, or personal use, connecting them to Outlook lets you read and send mail from one place. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and explain what to expect along the way. Everything we do here works for most major email providers, so you can repeat the process for as many inboxes as you need. Start by opening your web browser and going to outlook.live.com. Sign in to your primary Outlook account if you aren't already, and wait for your mailbox to load. Once you can see your inbox, look to the top right and select the settings gear. This opens a panel with quick options and a link to all Outlook settings, which is where we'll do the setup. In the settings area, find the section for accounts. Depending on your view, it may appear as accounts or email accounts. Select it to open the page where you manage the mailboxes connected to Outlook. This page is essentially your control center for adding and maintaining any extra inboxes. Next, choose email account if prompted, then select add account. This is where you tell Outlook which additional mailbox you want to bring in. Type the full email address you want to add, then click connect. Outlook will reach out to that provider using a secure connection. When the password box appears, enter the password for that specific email account and continue. It helps to have the correct password and any two-step verification device handy, just in case. If your provider asks you to confirm access or complete a quick verification, follow the on-screen prompts. When everything checks out, select Finish to wrap up the connection. Back in Outlook, you'll see the new mailbox appear in the folder pane on the left. Its inbox and folders will start syncing right away. The first sync can take a moment, especially if the account has a lot of mail, so give it a little time. You can expand the account to browse folders, and you can switch between accounts just by clicking the inbox you want to view. When you compose a message, you can also choose which address to send from, keeping personal and work replies separate, which is great for staying organized and professional. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to settings, head to accounts, pick email accounts, add the address, connect with the correct password, and finish. Your additional mailbox appears on the left and begins syncing automatically. Repeat the same process anytime you want to bring another account into Outlook. Thanks for watching and enjoy having all your email in one clean, organized view.